Hey there, hi guys, we are back again with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with 4 stars in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, December the 15th, 2020. It's a sad day because the full lockdown has been started. Yes. Time for Sudokus, you think? This one, Tectonic 4 stars, will be number 2017. Alright, so let's get started. And the first strategy is to find the single box. I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means the boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So these two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those two boxes are left for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, this box should be a 4, because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be a 4. Triple box 1, 2, and 3. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those numbers. Here also a triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 2 here. That means those 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 3. Yeah. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Then. How about these 3 boxes? Cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be 1. And this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. No, quadra box should be here. Those 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Those 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those numbers. Yeah. These 4 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Those 2 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this quadra box, the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those boxes. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 box left here for the 5. We have a 5 here, so those 3 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. Alright. Let me think. This box is an important box because the digit that I placed cannot be in one of those 4 boxes. If I place a 2 here, then I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 4 boxes. The 3 also, the 4 also, the 5 also. I need all those numbers in one of those 4 empty boxes. So the only digit left should be a 1 because the 1 is already filled here. So this should be a 1. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. We have a 2 now, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and the 3. Alright. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 5. 3 and a 5. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be there and the 4 goes here. Yeah. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 3 and a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. The 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 should be here. and the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes can be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1, 2, 4, so the 5 and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can be a 3 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left, 1, 2, 3, the 4, and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes with a 1 here. That means those 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 1. If I place a 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, should be a 3. Cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 5 and the 4 are left here. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be a 5. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 4. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes, and they are finished in 30 minutes. All right. Great Tectonic. Great Suguru. I like this one with 4 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes, a long way to go for the full lockdown. So keep your mind in balance, but also physical. You need to do exercises, mental and physical. All right. See you tomorrow on Wednesday, people. Have a great day. Yeah, today it's a sad day. Yeah, the lockdown has been started. Anyway, bye bye for now. Until then, see you soon. Bye bye.